Apple has just shaken up the tech world again, but this time, it's not about iPhones or AirPods. Reports are coming in that Apple has officially acquired Nott, a rising smart glasses startup that's been quietly working on advanced AR technology. And this move could change the way we think about wearable tech forever. Now, let's break this down. For years, Apple has been teasing the idea of AR glasses. We've seen patents, leaks, and even hints from Tim Cook himself, but nothing has ever made it past the rumor stage. But Apple buying a company that's been developing lightweight, everyday smart glasses. That's a real sign they're serious about bringing AR to the mainstream. So, who is Nott, and why is this important? Nott is a startup known for designing glasses that look like normal eyewear. No bulky frames, no weird headgear, just sleek, everyday glasses that secretly pack AR overlays. Their tech focuses on projecting information directly onto the lens without needing an external screen. Imagine seeing your texts, directions, or even FaceTime calls right in front of your eyes without pulling out your phone. And here's the kicker. If Apple integrates this tech into its ecosystem, we could see AirPods and AR glasses working together. Think about it. Your AirPods give you audio, while your Apple glasses give you visual overlays. Together, they could replace your iPhone for a lot of everyday tasks. That's not just an accessory, that's a revolution in how we interact with technology. But of course, this raises a big question: are we actually ready for AR glasses? Privacy concerns, battery life, and cost are still major hurdles. And let's be honest, the failure of Google Glass still haunts the industry. Apple, though, has a history of taking existing tech, polishing it, and making it mainstream. They did it with the iPod, the iPhone, and even wireless earbuds with AirPods. Could smart glasses be next on that list? If Apple launches AR glasses in the next couple of years, it could completely redefine the wearable market. It wouldn't just be about replacing your screen, it's about creating a seamless, always connected digital layer on top of your real world. So here's the big question I want to ask you. If Apple really releases these smart glasses, would you buy them? Or do you think this is just another hype wave like the Vision Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I'm really curious to see if people are ready for this shift. And of course, if you want to stay on top of the latest leaks, rumors, and honest reviews in the world of gadgets, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Because trust me, the future of tech is getting a lot more interesting.